Hi guys, this is Axel from African Drone Voice. So I'd like to introduce to you Amit Singh. He's the manager for service delivery at South African National Blood Service, and they use drones for blood delivery.
Hi, Axon. Thank you for this opportunity. And I'd just like to take this moment to congratulate you on all the excellent work that you're doing in terms of drones in Africa.
Thanks.
So well done on you for that. So yeah, I'm Amit Singh, and I'm employed with the South African National Blood Services as the Senior Manager Service Delivery within the IT department. I also head up the drone program, which is referred to as Bloodwing since its inception in 2018.
Okay, so how valuable now is your blood delivery services with drones added on top of them?
So it's in 2018 there was a meeting that encompassed members from the medical fraternity, and there was a concern of the high maternal mortality rate experienced by women due to postpartum hemorrhaging in rural areas. And SANBS was asked, well, why aren't you using drones to deliver blood? And that became our call to action, or the motivation to add drones to our supply chain.
So with the COVID-19 outbreak, so do you guys really think like your drones can really do a good job, even for instance for transporting samples? What about trying to transport samples in terms of test samples for patients in rural areas to the hospital? Can they come to you guys to ask for assistance? Rural hospitals.
So absolutely, Axel. It is something that we can definitely do. The drone is designed to actually carry medical cargo. We even have a cooling system built in on one of the drones. So to transport medical or to transport blood samples for testing, or even to transport rapid testing kits for COVID-19, we are absolutely capable of doing it.